Let's disclose the most dangerous physics misconception out there. If I ask you, what does the Earth get from the sun to keep us alive? You'd probably say, energy. Well, you'd be completely wrong. Today, we are debunking the most dangerous physics misconception, the idea that we consume energy. Understanding why this is a myth won't just change how you view everyday life. It holds the secret to the beginning of the universe, the arrow of time, and its inevitable end. The pervasive misconception we are addressing is the belief that things, like plants, humans, and machines, use up energy to survive and function. If you ask the average person on the street how much energy the Earth radiates back into space compared to what it receives from the sun, most guess that we keep a lot of it because we consume it. But here is the truth. Energy never really goes away. For most of the Earth's history, it has radiated exactly the same amount of energy back into space as it receives from the sun. If we didn't send that exact same amount of energy back, the Earth would continuously heat up until it became a scorching, lifeless fireball. So, if the total amount of energy doesn't change, and we aren't actually keeping the sun's energy, what on earth are we really getting from it? To answer that, we have to look at a concept called entropy. Most people think of entropy simply as disorder. But the best way to understand it is as the tendency of energy to spread out over time. Think of a perfectly solved Rubik's Cube. If you close your eyes and make random turns, it gets incredibly messy incredibly fast. Why? Because there is only one way for it to be solved, and quintillions of ways for it to be a complete mess. Energy behaves the same way. It wants to spread out into a more probable, mixed state. What the sun actually gives us isn't just energy. It gives us a steady stream of low entropy. This is concentrated, bundled up, highly useful energy. Plants capture this concentrated energy. Animals eat the plants. And as we live and breathe, we spread that energy out. For every single concentrated photon of light we receive from the sun, the Earth radiates 20 lower energy, spread out photons back into space. The danger in believing we just consume energy is that it completely breaks our scientific literacy regarding how our universe and technology actually work. If you only track energy, you are missing the fundamental limit of reality. Once energy spreads out, it is practically impossible to get it back. Because energy inherently wants to spread, it is physically impossible to build a 100% efficient machine or engine. You always have to dump waste heat into the environment. When we misunderstand this, we misunderstand the boundaries of human technology, climate, and sustainability. Anytime we create order, like cooling the inside of a house with an air conditioner, we have to increase the entropy, or the messiness of energy somewhere else, like at a power plant. In fact, life itself might just be the universe's ultimate, spectacular machine, designed specifically to convert low entropy into high entropy as fast as possible. In a nutshell, we don't consume energy. We survive on a finite river of low entropy. Letting go of this misconception allows us to appreciate the delicate, complex dance of life, which only thrives in the sweet spot, before all the energy in the universe spreads out forever. What other physics concepts do you think we have all wrong? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to keep exploring the beautiful, mind-bending truths of our universe, don't forget to subscribe for more myth-busting science.